Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I'm stopping by with more inspiration for the Inky Paws challenge number 203, which is a color challenge. The colors are watermelon red, flamingo pink, parakeet green, and seafoam blue. In the description box below, I will have links to the Inky Paws challenge, the Newton's Nook store, and all the products that I use today. Even though there's not that many, but it's still an amazing card. So I chose to use this floral fringe stamp set from Newton's Nook. And then I also used their frames squared dies. Such fun stuff. And here is my card that I created. No pattern paper on this one. Very clean and simple, but I really love how it turned out. I colored up those flowers in the challenge colors, and then hopefully you can see it, I added some stickles to it. I think I used the Twinkle Stickles, which has like a blue undertone, so it's just really pretty. You can see those dies there, and then I just added that square on the inside. So there is my card for more inspiration for challenge number 203 of the Inky Paws challenge. I hope that you'll grab your Newton's Nook crafty goodies and make a creation and come play along with us. We'd love to see what you can create. Thanks so much for stopping by, and until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.